Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Confident cornering and crisp handling let you feel free on the open road in this iconic SL. Its bi-turbo engine and 9G-tronic automatic transmission with shift paddles put down the power. Let it change your mood or change it to fit your mood with dynamic select driving modes. The Eco Start Stop system, attention assist, and active brake assist with cross-traffic function keep you efficient and safe. There's always perfect comfort with heated leather seats and dual-zone climate control. And for that day you keep the top up, there's still a panoramic sunroof. You'll also get smartphone integration, Bluetooth, and the command infotainment system with voice control. The longest drive is always a good thing in this SL Class. Put the top down and take a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,